Hello students, welcome to Soros's classes. In this video, I'll be solving some of the subjective questions from the book Tomato. In our first question, we have P1, P2 up to Pn, these n polynomials in X, and each having all the integer coefficients such that P1 is equals to P1 square plus P2 square up to Pn square. Now, we have to assume that P1 is not a zero polynomial. Then we have to show that P1 is equals to 1 and P2, P3 up to Pn is equals to 0. Now, according to the question, we have P1 is equals to P1 square plus P2 square plus P3 square and so on till Pn square. So, from this we get that the degree of P1 is 0, since this is only possible when the degree of P1 is 0. Now further, we know that P1 is non-zero polynomial. Now P1 square plus P2 square so on till Pn square should be greater than equals to 0, as the square values can never be negative. This implies P1 is greater than equals to 0. Hence, P1 square is greater than is equals to P1. This implies P1 square is greater than equals to P1 square plus P2 square so on till Pn square. This implies P2 square plus P3 square and so on till Pn square is less than is equals to 0, since the square values cannot be negative. So from this we get P2 square plus P3 square and so on till Pn square is equals to 0. This implies P2 is equals to P3 is equals to so on till Pn is equals to 0. Now taking this equation as 1, using this equation that P2 square plus P3 square so on till Pn square is equals to 0, in our question we will get P1 is equals to P1 square. Now since P1 is a non-zero polynomial, that is P1 is not equals to 0, we get P1 is equals to 1. Hence we have P1 is equals to 0 while the remaining polynomials, P1 is equals to 1 while the remaining polynomials as 0. In the next question, we have each pair in a group of 20 persons classified by existence of kinship relationship and friendship relationship between them, and we have a following data obtained for such a classification. Now, this is a kinship and friendship relationship among 20 people. Now, from this data, we have to determine whether most of the friends are kin or not, and number 2, whether most of the kin are friends or not. From the table, we can say that 27 out of 30 friendship is kinship, while only 3 friendship is not kinship. So we can say that most of the friends are kin. Whereas for the second, that most of the kin are friends, we cannot say that, since for kinship 27 kinship are friends but 31 kinship are not friends. So we cannot say that most of the kins are friends.